Yan o, sabi ni Jaime Santiago, ating NBI Director in Charge, kung ako'y judge pa niya, yung mga ganong klaseng cross-examination, popokpokin ko ng gay bill sa ulo. Former National Bureau of Investigation na Director Jaime Santiago defended the agency's investigation into the statements made by Vice President Sara Duterte. According to multiple news reports, Santiago said the investigation was conducted properly. Former President Duterte called her when I was with him. He called Sara Ibratinela. Sabi po niya doon sa impeachment court. He said the column reflected his personal opinion at the time and was unrelated to the NBI's investigation. As an NBI director, I don't think this is material, sabi po ni Matibag, adding that the Bureau's findings were based on evidence.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravilla. So napariak na po si dating NBI Director Jaime Santiago sa takbo mga kababayan ng cross-examination ng defense sa witness dito sa impeachment trial ni Sara Duterte. Yan o, sabi ni Jaime Santiago, ating NBI Director in Charge, kung ako'y judge pa niya, yung mga ganong klaseng cross-examination, popokpokin ko ng gay bill sa ulo. Kasama na ninyo pong ipokpokin sa ulo ng gay bill. Kung kayo din ang judge sa impeachment court, pokpokin ninyo ng gay bill sa ulo si Robin Padilla. Kasi sinabi ni Robin Padilla, Senator Judge, na dapat daw yung prosecution hindi maging one-sided. Saan nga nakakita mga kababayan na husgado na yung prosecution na hindi one-sided? Hindi talagang one-sided yung prosecution, pati defense one-sided yan. Kasi yung prosecution, kailangan i-prove nila yung kaso. At yung defense naman, kailangan gibayin nila yung kaso. So one-sided sila, parihas. Adversarial na ang isang korte, ang laban ng defense at saka ng prosecution. Ang dapat hindi maging one-sided, yung senator judge. Yan ang dapat, or ang judge ang dapat hindi maging one-sided. Kayo yon Robin Padilla, ang dapat hindi maging one-sided. Kasi latang-alata sa mga manifestations ninyo, puro pabor kay Sara Duterte, pati kay Digong. Ay, nago talaga itong mga taong ito. Former National Bureau of Investigation na Director Jaime Santiago defended the agency's investigation into the statements made by Vice President Sara Duterte. According to multiple news reports, Santiago said the investigation was conducted properly and followed legal procedures. He also criticized the defense team's cross-examination of current NBI Director Melvin Matibag during the impeachment trial, saying several questions were repetitive and had already been answered. In a strongly worded reaction, the former judge said that such questioning lacked common sense. Santiago led the NBI when it investigated Duterte's controversial statements involving President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the First Lady and former House Speaker Martin. In February 2025, the agencies recommended complaints for inciting to sedition and grave threats. Duterte denied making an unlawful threat and maintained that her statements had been misunderstood. The accusations remain subject to proper legal proceedings. However, cross-examination remains an important right of the defense. The presiding officer had earlier stressed that Matibag's testimony could not be considered complete until the defense had been allowed to question him thoroughly. The senator judges must decide which answers are credible and which evidence is relevant. Strong questioning is normal in a serious trial, but it should help uncover the truth instead of causing unnecessary delay. Both sides must be allowed to perform their roles while respecting the rules, the evidence, in the right of every person to due process. Yan sabi po ni Jaime Santiago. Kung judge pa daw niya, pupukpukin niya itong si Atty. Binloan. Paulit-ulit po yung pagtatanong. Napakalinaw po yung pagbabanta ni Sara Duterte. Kahit ano pang cross-examination ang gawin ninyo, malinaw po yung pagbabanta. Kasi yung pagbabanta, galing mismo sa bibig mismo, recorded ni Sara Duterte at napanood ng milyon-milyon na mga mamamayang Pilipino. At yung sinasabi ni Atty. Binloan at saka ni Robin Padilla, sabi ni Atty. Binloan, mga kababayan, mataas yung ratings ni Sara Duterte, yung trust rating sa survey. More than dapat mataas yung accountability para sa kanya kasi mataas yung tiwala sa kanya ng tao pagkatapos binitray niya yung public trust dahil sa kanyang mga pinagagawa. In like manner, mga kababayan, yung pinagmamalaking 32 million votes na sabi ni Robin Padilla, Oy Robin Padilla, kasama kami sa 32 million. Yung sinasabi mong 32 million, wala na po yon. Nag-withdraw na kami ng support kay Sara Duterte. Kayo na lang na mga DDS yung mga naiwan. Kaya nga hindi ninyo magawa na makapaglunsad ng people power para iupo si Sara Duterte. Kaya wag ninyong ipinagmamayabang ang 32 million na bumoto kay Sara Duterte. Kami yon po nag-withdraw ng support. Mga Marcos supporters ang nagpanalo kay Sara. Hindi man nanalo si Sara without the Marcos supporters, the Marcos loyalists. Kasi yung mga Duterte supporters ko konti man lang. Ang prueba, yung ulit-ulit na attempt ng mga DDS na magsagawa ng people power para iupo si Sara, puro po palpak, failure. Kaya si Sara hanggang sa bihis na lang ng barong, hindi matuloy-tuloy yung pag-take oath. Kaya yon, lumayas na lang, nagbakasyon uli ng 15 days sa Europe. Tinatanong niya si Matibag kung nakapag-form na siya na judgment before overseeing an investigation that became part of the impeachment trial. Defense lawyer Mark Binduan pressed Matibag over 3 columns he wrote for the Daily Tribune in 2024 in the Sara de Bratinella. The Bratinella is a flat spare type in Bratinella Sara and her bad habits, asking if he was the author of the pieces. Matibag confirmed that he wrote the columns but said they represented his views as a columnist and were separate from his duties as head of the NBI. Unang-una, nang writer siya, columnist si Matibag, columnist Daily Tribune, hindi pa man siya appointed ng ating Pangulo bilang BI Director. Diba? Nang isulat niya yon, nabasa ko yon at ginamit natin sa ating mga komentary. At saka sabi po ni Matibag, ang nagsabihan niya na Bratinella, nagbansag sa Vice Presidente na Bratinella, yung tatay niya, si Digong. So nang marinig niya yung pagtawag kay Sara na Bratinella, ayon, yun ang ginamit niya, describing Sara Duterte bilang spoiled brat. Si Digong pala yun, una na tumawag kay Sara bilang Bratinella. I wrote that because that was what I heard former President Duterte call her when I was with him. He called Sara Bratinella. Sabi po niya doon sa impeachment court. He said the column reflected his personal opinion at the time and was unrelated to the NBI's investigation. As an NBI director, I don't think this is material, sabi po ni Matibag, adding that the Bureau's findings were based on evidence, the law, and the investigative process. Binduan then presented a social weather station survey showing Duterte with 57% trust rating and Marcos with 34%. He asked Matibag whether he still stood by his assessment of her despite the survey results. Sabi po ni Matibag, a survey is just a snapshot of what's happening. It does not necessarily follow that once it comes out, it's the truth. At saka sabi po ni Matibag, hindi niya nangulugan na mataas yung ratings ng isang tao. Hindi na siya pwedeng papanagutin sa krimen. Talagang mapupukpok po ni ng gibel sa ulo itong si Binloan. Kung judge pa, itong si dating NBI Director Jaime Santiago, pupukpukin ko niya sa ulo ng Gabriel. Yan ang totoo niyan. Di ba, mga kababayan?
Swimming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry, may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab ka rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.